I'm so excited.
It's a $500 voucher.
All right, guys, it is finally time. We are down here in sunny Florida, streetcar takeover Bradenton. It is a little bit early, but we're used to going to the streetcar takeover in Charlotte, where if you're going to the pre-meet, you got to get there at like 3 o'clock. So it is, I think, almost 4 right now, and which isn't really too early. The pre-meet starts at 5, but it normally fills up quick. So we have to get the boosted Rooster out of the trailer here. I got the trailer locked. Ben's dying to get in. Ben, you're ready to roll over there. He's ready. We're running on like 2 hours of sleep. Drove the car down the road, then straight into the trailer. Wes, how excited are you?
Ready.
You ready? Here she is. Are we gonna be able? We can't get out. I just realized that. Why? What's up with people parking behind trailers?
Can you get out?
I can't get out. You guys want to hold it and I'll pull forward casually? Doesn't look. A little hot on the new wheels.
Looks like a race car now.
Street car. Hold on, I got it. All right, guys, we're at the streetcar takeover tent. We're hanging out. We got the Rooster parked right up front. Shout out to Justin and the guys at streetcar takeover for getting me in here and letting me park right up front. We're gonna wait. I don't think we're gonna put the car on the dyno today, just because of what happened last year. We're going to multiple streetcar takeovers, so we will have the opportunity to do this, but I'm a little gun shy, first one out. But I'm just in love with the wheel and tire setup on this. Whew! Hottest wheel and tire setup in the game.
Straight fire.
Yeah, this is hot. This is hot. So we're just gonna hang out tonight. We're gonna film some, I guess we're gonna film some dyno pulls, maybe some people being idiots when they pull out, and pretty much just capture the night of streetcar takeover here. So, but, whew!
Hottest wheels in the game.
Hottest wheels in the game. That is Sick TJ. He's on YouTube, but good God, that like hits you in the chest. How rowdy is that?
That's ridiculous, honestly.
That I've honestly never felt like that's too much. I can't deal with that.
Yeah,
I like my nice calm two-step on the line where it pops and crackles only every once in a while. That right there, that's a lot. That's a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, we just got unloaded out here. And look who shows up. Oh, I see how it is. You best run. I'm not letting you blow another motor up.
What?
I'm not letting you blow another motor up for me.
It's gonna happen while you're sleeping.
No, don't put this on me. We brought a different car. For those of you guys that don't know, this guy right here, Big Clive, check him out on the YouTube.
That's him right there.
Oh, you're Big Clive?
Maybe small car.
Oh, okay.
What's up, man?
We brought a different car with a stronger motor, so
The other one running yet or no?
it's running, but we left it back in North Carolina because I knew you'd be here. For those guys that don't know, him and Wes, these two right here are trouble together. They convinced me to put my car in the dyno last year and I blew the motor up.
Well, I've been trying to convince him to win the 28 tire race, but
We're doing the 28 tire race.
we'll see.
So we're chilling until about 6 o'clock here and we'll see if we can whoop some ass.
Can I do wheelies or no?
Get your camera ready because we're going to put it on the bumper for you.
If it doesn't go on the bumper, I'm taking it over.
Deal. All right, guys, so we are just chilling here. They are doing the roll race testing team. We got some time until we're running the 28 race. Ton of legit race cars, like legit race cars. Not legit, like a bunch of 25-3 cars. What the salty chicken will be. So we're going to see if the Boosted Rooster can hang.
We're really street car, like.
Yeah, like, we're running a street car in a race car class, but we're going to give it a shot and see how she does. Damn, everything here's got a parachute. We don't have one of those.
On a scale of street car, we're like an 8, and all these cars are like I'd say a 3.
Yeah,
at
2 or
best.
3. 2 or 3. Yeah, so we're just kicking it until they get to running some stuff. So once they get running the exciting stuff, we'll show you guys. But we're just hanging out here at the John Doc / Ellis Nasty tent and selling some merch, talking to some people, talking to the fans. Wespo's out here signing babies, kissing fans.
Sign Big Clap's forehead.
Just talked to Justin, and they're going to open up a testing team for small tires, so we want to get as much data as we can, so we're going to go and make a hit, see how we can do here, and we're going to get cameras all set up, got my new helmet, got my Hans device, so I'm feeling really good about it. First test out, I think we got a simple setup. We're going to go down and through and just get as much data as possible. I don't set tire pressure. I'm at 15, like 8. I just offered.
That's fine.
You can't do anything right now. This is why everything breaks.
You're right. You had one chance. One job.
How do you go to, like, I don't understand that.
You had one job.
That's just ridiculous. Go.
Get you?
We'll find out here in just a minute. Hey, you need me to get that? Yeah, you can. Take this out of my hands. Here's a key.
That's actually the first time he's ever dropped tire pressure.
I want 16.
You're the one who drives it?
Yeah.
Guys, getting ready to run the 28 race. There's some testing now. So we're going out and make a test it. We got everything turned down. Other than that,
We're definitely the most street friendly car in
oh
this.
god. When we say outgunned, like, we got like a little pea shooter against a damn tank. Hey, everyone, the only thing we need to know is the boost controller needs to be on.
Make sure it's on.
How does that happen?
A switch needs to be flipped after my burnout. But really, just 12 people need to stick their head in the car after I do a burnout and be like, is the boost controller on? And I'll be like, yep. And the
So
next
you'll
person,
know from in here?
well, yeah, it's this switch, but you know, you do a burnout, you forget to flip it,
Okay.
honestly, you know.
Well, we'll do
It's all
that.
smoky.
No problem.
Why don't you just flip it before the burnout? Then you can shoot some flames out the exhaust.
Yeah. If I turn that sucker on before,
I feel like it's kind of dangerous to be rolling around with screwdrivers and shit in your race car.
where are they? Oh god, there's a whole stack of belts right there.
It's like, I feel like your mom would be disappointed in you.
Yeah.
It's like,
I literally had those like there 20 minutes ago. I was just adjusting a 2-step up and down.
it's like this is advanced running with scissors.
That's exactly what it is. I'm so excited! Hey, I need help with my Hans clips.
I told you. Here, I got you.
I remember my first time.
Here, I got you.
Feel that side? You want to roll it up there or you want to drive it? You got it?
Let's roll it. Hold on.
Put it in neutral, Hammy.
face, first round, or first hit. Absolute dog.
It is. I've been through the same thing you're going through exactly. So what happened?
We tried to turn it down, and it was just a dog. I'm like going down. God damn it. Oh yeah, no, we were just trying to get some sort of data.
You need to get some passes.
I do need to get some passes. I need probably 2 more before
You're my luck. What happens when you're the master of the shit box?
Alright guys, so first pass, little interesting. We have everything turned down, so we were expecting it to be slow. Ben's underneath it right now. It was blowing some out of the vent. That could be because it was just getting hot. We're gonna clean it up, make sure we're not getting any ATF or anything on the tires. Other than that, to cool everything off. I didn't get my time slip because I went to the wrong side. I gotta go left and turn off on the left-hand side, but hey, goes A to B. We look like we're gonna be good to go. We're just going to make sure everything's all cleaned up, so hopefully everything will work, and that literally had no boost in it whatsoever. Alright, as you can see, we are here in the trailer. We just made our second pass. We were chipping away at it. We're definitely getting faster. I know it doesn't seem or sound quick, but the number is, hey, the number is really not bad for what we're doing. We're taking very, very small steps going up and logging and getting a bunch of data this time instead of throwing everything at it. So we're moving in the right direction. Takes time, huh?
Yeah.
Takes time. So, and I bet you guys are wondering why we're in the trailer with the doors shut and everything. If we poke our head outside, you'll see a nice, wonderful, soggy Bradenton Motorsports Park. We got rained out, so we drove all the way down here and got the shaft from the rain. It is what it is. You can't change weather, so hate to see it happen, but it did happen. We had a great time out here. Got up with Garrett, Cletus, Cooper, James, and all those boys. Those guys are sick. I know everyone knows who they are. Met up with Justin and Nick with Streetcar Takeover and Chase, all those guys. They are absolutely awesome. We're definitely going to do another Streetcar Takeover. Unfortunately for this one, I'd say it wasn't too exciting. I didn't get to film too much, but hey, we got 2 passes, we got some data. Anytime you get to drive the car back in the trailer under its own power is a good day for me. We're driving it back in the trailer, and we'll be ready to race another day. So I do want to thank you guys for watching. LS Nasty merch is in these boxes right here, and boy, oh boy, Wes, is it flying?
So my hotcakes.
Hotcakes. Ben, how fast is it going?
What?
The merch.
Merch? Oh. You can't even see it going, it's going too fast.
Get it before it's all gone. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.